Hey guys, we're just going to jump in today's video. I've got a power half hour kind of thing going on today. The kids were going to be home from school soon, so I just wanted to get a few things done before they decided to come home and mess it all up again, as kids do. So I'm just going to be cleaning up the living room and the entertainment center, and then I'll clean up my dining, one of my hutches in my kitchen area that holds all of my special bowls that I like to keep on display. And then I will be cleaning up the black table that we have in our entrance that is just a huge collector of all of the things. All of them. Anyway, let's get started. So we have this mattress that used to be in our oldest son's room that we have been keeping out on the hallway because we got him a new mattress at Christmas. And this mattress we've been holding on to so we can put it in our trailer. But our trailer is down at the sand dunes in California right now. So until we bring that back, I'm gonna have this beautiful mattress on display for the whole world to see. So this black table that we have in our hallway slash front room, we've had it since we've been married pretty much. I'm also pretty sure that I haven't actually opened the drawers in it in about 2 years. I don't even know what's in them. So it's just more of a decorative thing, but it also is a big clutter collector. So I try to keep it cleaned all the time and decorated, but it's hard for me to decorate things because I like a more minimalist approach, even though I have way too much stuff. So that's what I'm going to be working on, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.